come with me. I gotta show you something. Fwah!
Wait, what? Oh, hey, what? How'd you get here?
What am I doing? What?
How'd you get here?
What am I doing here?
What are you doing here?
Well, I was about to unbox a box and then something happened, like a portal, I guess.
Well, I like to unbox boxes.
Yeah.
Especially boxes of shoes.
Shoes?
Yeah.
That's an unbelievably huge coincidence because I have a box.
Oh, there's a box.
That has shoe in it.
I think that's how you got here. The unboxing gods knew this was a thing.
I heard that this happens.
Yep.
Yeah, and it did.
Okay. So they're shoes.
They are shoes.
In a box. And I get to unbox them?
Yes, because the reason I wanted you to unbox this is because strange story. This is Yasemin. I discovered her work a while ago and I've been obsessed with it ever since. She makes incredible looking custom paint job. She can paint your shoes, she can paint your jacket, wallet, keyboard, skateboard, you name it, she can paint whatever you like on it. Because she is located in Istanbul, Turkey and I live in Los Angeles, California, I bought a white mid Jordan 1 and shipped it to my parents who live in Istanbul, Turkey, and they shipped it to her. Technically, she was gonna ship it back once she was done painting them and my parents were gonna bring it back to US with them, but life had different plans for me, so I ended up going to Istanbul, Turkey myself. And while I was there, I had the opportunity to sit down with Yasemin and ask her how all this began.
I'm an interior designer, but I also customize and paint shoes, sneakers, leather jackets, and wallets. I bought a sneaker for myself. It came too white for me and I like to paint on something on it. And then I didn't like it. I thought that I'm not that colorful person and I gave it to my friend, and also she got some other friends that wants some customized sneakers, and it starts from there.
How long does it take to paint a shoe?
It depends on the detail on the sneaker or the shoe. Sometimes it takes a week, sometimes it takes a few hours. If I'm working with a company inside their shop, it takes 15 to 20 minutes. I use Procreate on iPad. I design on Procreate and I give the brief to my customer, and if they want a revision on it, they tell me change this color, add this please. So I start like that.
So as you can imagine, Yasemin customized a very special shoe for me. And that is the reason why I went to Jacques' place. Because I can't think of anybody else that I want to unbox this shoe with. She asked what I would like on the shoes and I said Last of Us theme. Because I'm a huge fan.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and she's a huge fan as well. So she gave me some drafts and then we started deciding about the design.
Okay.
99% of
what we see is her idea.
Her idea.
But it came from, you were the inspiration.
Yes, it was my idea.
And inspiration, and she turned it into a shoe.
When I say idea, I literally said, I want Last of Us on Jordan 1.
Well, that's enough. That's enough to spark the idea, to get it going.
Full disclosure, I kind of saw the shoes.
Oh, you saw them?
I saw.
So this is me. I get to see them for the first time.
You're gonna get to see it for the first time. Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate you allowing me to unbox.
It means
your
a lot
custom
to me.
sneakers. That's dope.
Yeah.
So can I do my whole thing?
Absolutely, please.
Okay.
Please.
Let's do it. All right. Yo. Hey guys, it's poppin'. Jacques Slade here. Back with another unboxing, and today we have something very, very special for my friend Farouk. This is a custom pair of sneakers that he had made from Yasemin in Turkey, and this is a first look. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Let's do it. So the shoe comes in this nicely designed package. I really like the paper wrapping, the custom wax seal, the little note that says made with love and handmade, the little heart sticker. They are all great details foreshadowing what is waiting inside this wrapping.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present you with Farouk's custom Air Force One mid, and as we always do around here, let's take these out the box and have some this is her company, I'm assuming, and her code, and this is some of the work that she's done. this already tells me that this is going to be good. This is
Yeah.
exciting. It tells me it's going to be good. And here we go. Oh, look at that. That is bananas. Oh my God. Okay, let's take the other one out of the box. There's so many details here. Oh, you gotta tell. Oh, okay, you're gonna have to tell me the whole story here. So it's Jordan 1 mid box, as you can see there. That cool. Okay, you take one and I'll take the other one. So Last of Us, obviously huge show and video game as well. And she put characters and moments from the show and from the video game here on the shoes. Why were these moments you picked, or did she pick those moments?
She picked these moments. She came with the idea of one, terrible thing, one thing that makes your heart warm up, and then something, from something important from the show, which is the fungi.
Right.
So we have the infected that sticks to the wall, that is stuck in the wall. This is from the second game, and I'm guessing this is going to be in the second season, where it breaks off from the wall and attacks you, and it's one of the most scary thing in the second game, because you have to have your eye autofocus turned on, face detection turned on, whatever you have left up there in that dark environment you're in, and you got to make sure that there's no one stuck on the wall. So she did that, and it's so cool the way she
looks so good.
Balanced that with the giraffe scene and then the fungi. And she didn't stop there. On the other side, she put the strawberry, which is really important if you watch the TV show, especially the third episode.
No spoilers here,
No
although
spoilers.
the season's been over and you probably should have watched it by now.
Yeah.
But we won't judge. Sometimes it takes you time to get to those things.
Yeah. Take your
But
time.
watch it and remember the strawberry. So now this one, talk to me about this one and what's the story here.
So this is the clicker, and then clicker is one of the biggest. Well, the bloater and the other guys are a huge problem as well. But the clicker is one of the scariest things in Last of Us, especially in the first season. We saw some clickers, and it was so much fun. And next to it, we have the scene where Ellie and Joel is crossing that wooden bridge, and then we have fungus.
Fungi again.
Yeah, and then look at these birds.
I know the birds here as well. So these were, I just want to make sure I understand. These were all white.
These were completely white.
And she painted
Pure
this
white.
side with the characters. But
Yeah.
this is like where this right here is incredible. It almost looks like this was the original color of the shoe, not just an all white Jordan 1, but this like brown and green, which would be a dope colorway. This brown, green, and black, that'd be a dope colorway just by itself. But then to tie it all together here with the storytelling, and you still see the black, you see the brown, you see the green inside of the painting, which makes it seem so much more natural with the rest of the shoe, which is really, really great. And the fact that she used something scary, a loving moment, and then the fungi, like she thought about. It tells me she really thought about the storytelling and how she wanted this to go. Because it's like, oh, you have The Last of Us. This is the big thing that everyone sees with The Last of Us. Oh, it's zombies and this, but really, it's a heart-touching story.
Yeah.
About these moments that was sparked by this epidemic of the fungus. That is so sick. That's cool, man.
And the detail is this, as you can see, is shiny, and then this part is matte.
Oh, yeah.
So she did that on purpose too. And I thought it was just very clever to tell the story, because this is vibrant, and then there's so much happening. I love this so much.
This, like, when an artist gets to do what they want, and like I love that you gave her the idea and the inspiration for it, and then she took it and made it her own, and now you have this is literally an art piece, you guys. This is full on art. So the question is, are you going to wear this art?
So yeah, I mean, I think here in her paper she kind of explains what you can do. You can wash it in hand, you know, you can take care of it, you can wear it. She's telling you that you don't need to baby these shoes, you can wear them. The paint is not gonna fall off on it.
Right.
You know, it's really good. But there's no other Last of Us Jordan like this. Like you can get custom made, and that's gonna be for you.
Yeah.
You're gonna have this unique, and I'm gonna have this unique shoe. So it is really difficult to wear. I don't know, but here's what I'm proposing to HBO.
Dear HBO.
Yeah, invite us to season 2. Take your time. Doesn't matter. When you're done with season 2, when the strike is over, when everything is back to a state where we agree, I will wear these and gladly come to the premiere.
And wear these?
Yeah.
Which means I probably have to get myself a pair too.
Yeah.
And I'll get myself a pair, and I'll get mine customized, and I'll wear those as well. So I think it's a no-brainer, HBO. You should just invite us.
Yeah.
That makes it so much easier. It makes it easier for everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is just fantastic. I'm gonna let you close out. I'll just go hold these over there, but you can go ahead and close out and tell people. Yeah, just get these out of the way. That way you can the video, you gotta close out, tell people to comment what they think and all that kind of stuff.
Okay.
And I'll just hold these here for a second. So go ahead, close out the video. I don't wanna stop you from doing that. And I'm gonna put them back in the box actually, because I gotta put them in the box. So I'll be and I gotta grab the string too. So you go ahead, close out. I'll take care of all of this stuff while you do that. Gotcha. Go ahead. No, go ahead. Close out. Don't forget.
That's not what we agreed.
No, go ahead. You can do it. You got it.
Where are you going?
No, I'm just right here. I'm not going anywhere. Right here in front of you. Go ahead.
Well, thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about these custom-made Jordan ones, what you think about Yasemin's work, and what you think about this amazing collaboration. I cannot believe I'm here with Jacques, and he's been so nice and kind to me, and he's the best.
Yeah,
so
keep going. I'll be right back.
Where you? Oh, he left with the shoes. I think I gotta go. Okay. See ya.